The teen accused of throwing a barrel of fuel on a bonfire in Shawano County 2 years ago is found guilty by a judge today.
The 18-year-old changed his pleas to no contest this afternoon and accepted a plea deal with prosecutors.
Samuel Armstrong, now convicted of 13 felony counts of injury by negligent handling of explosives or fire, each count carrying a maximum penalty of 3.5 years in prison and up to $10,000 in fines. However, this plea deal allows the judge to consider a lesser punishment. Brittany Schmidt joins us live from Shawano County to explain. Brittany.
Cammie and Bill, this case has now been resolved without a jury trial. Armstrong entered a plea agreement with the prosecution today and walked out of the courthouse a convicted felon at 18 years old. Some of the victims and their families were in court today and watched as Armstrong changed his original plea of not guilty to no contest for all 13 felony charges. The prosecution recommends 1 year in county jail, 6 months to be served, with the other 6 months stayed but could be imposed if he violates conditions of his sentence. That jail time would be followed by 5 years of probation and no contact with victims. The judge making it very clear to Armstrong today she does not have to follow the agreement between both parties and could still impose a sentence of up to 45 years in prison.
And did your attorney also review with you the maximum potential penalties that you face?
Yes.
You understand that I'm not bound by any agreements or recommendations, and I could sentence you to the maximum penalty?
Yes.
Armstrong will be sentenced in April. He is still facing several civil lawsuits filed by the victims against him in this case. Those will likely play out in Brown County. Reporting live in Shawano, Brittany Schmidt, Action 2 News.